So for my YouTube video, I chose to do a quick little PowerPoint on basically what my campaign was, which is the Go Somewhere campaign for the company Travelocity. Basically, how the program works is, we'll kind of just start with this first slide here. What is Go Somewhere, right? So the kind of the campaigns and platforms and stuff we modeled our campaign was after Tallahassee Bucket List, which was the one that Mad Social did a while ago, where you could go around different parts of Tallahassee, and if you checked in here and did this and did that, you'd get a reward for completing those challenges. And then we liked Foursquare because Foursquare, it's not really used so much anymore, which we kind of talk about in the paper, but basically you can go somewhere, check in at a place, and Yelp actually is a lot more than just restaurant reviews now and things. You can actually check in, talk with other users, and but was really kind of set Yelp apart from like Foursquare was you actually get rewarded. You can get like coupons for restaurants and things like that based on, so if you go to Tijuana Flats every Tuesday and Thursday, well, the more times you go there, the better the coupons get, and that's pretty much how it works. So we wanted to take that idea and move that for travel. So Travelocity is a plane, hotel, destination booking company, and we basically were going to pick 50 total destinations in the continental United States, and within a 6-month period from January 1st to July 31st, the user needs to go to 20 of them. And you would check in on social media, and we'd have a little API or something where our software would keep track of, making sure they go to each spot. And then after you go somewhere and do all that stuff, and you post about it and all that fun stuff, 50% off 2 plane tickets anywhere in the United States. So if you completed all 20, went to all 20 places, you get 50% off 2 plane tickets to anywhere you want to go in the United States. So our target audience was 20 to 30-year-old people, and that's simply usually because they can travel a lot more than someone else who's usually a little older and kind of has a more stable job, and you can't take off work, and college students and that kind of stuff are a little bit more towards our target audience. And we chose to target them with Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Those are kind of the 3 biggest social networks right now. And Snapchat, you can't really check in or do anything with that, so we kind of avoided those. But so Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And basically, we would engage with our users by having them, if someone asks a question, we could answer their questions, or we could like things. They'd post pictures on our wall of, the destinations they would go to and things like that. So that worked out pretty well. So why do all of this? What's the point? Why make this campaign? What's our goal here? Well, if we do this and we get enough people posting about it, Travelocity is doing this campaign. They're doing half-off plane tickets. A lot of people would do it. Like the Tallahassee Bucket List thing, that was huge. That's all I saw on my Facebook and everywhere for a long period of time. So, like it says, the more people that participate, the more coverage there is. So, this would be quote-unquote free publicity from Travelocity, although not really. So we'd have to kind of subsidize those cheaper plane tickets. But the cost of paying for those plane tickets would be a lot less than, saying, paying for traditional media like a Super Bowl ad or something like that to kind of get the buzz out there. So the idea is the more people that tweet about it and all this other stuff, it get picked up by like the Today Show, Good Morning America, and all this other stuff. And while we are still having to pay for the plane tickets, or the discount on the plane tickets, we would still come out much more ahead than we would if we just went, reach the same amount of people with the same amount of dollars. So overall, that's pretty much our campaign. That's what we decided on, and we hope it goes pretty well if it would be implemented.